Good morning, good morning. All right, let's put this in the group. All right. Hi, good morning. All right, it is Monday, January 30th. My head is hurting. My head was hurting last night. I decided not to take any Advil and just fell asleep. It seems like it's following me into today. All right, I think. All right. Someone had a bunch of questions about this Apex account that he just passed. Well, he got the profit target, but he didn't get the. Still has to trade the minimum amount of days. So I was trying to explain it to him. All right. It is Monday, January 30th. We have one more day of the month. Typically, they try to run the market up at the last day of the month in the afternoon, so that's not today. That will be tomorrow. We'll see if that still rings true. I say it every last day of the month, and it typically does, so we'll see. If you appreciate the stream, please give a thumbs up as you come in. There are 20 of you in here. The chop zone, we already left the chop zone earlier, right around 2 a.m., and we haven't made it back. We also went to the ultimate target already by like 5 a.m. I think we've just been consolidating. I have a lot of stuff I'm running today. It's going to be kind of a mess. I'm also starving. I don't really know why. Thank you, Justin. Did you guys do anything fun this weekend? What is he sharing? All right. I'm going to wait to go live on TikTok until closer to like 9:25. Oh, so let's talk about them Eagles. I'm not an Eagles fan, but I subliminally clearly picked the Eagles to win when I got my nails done last week because I have like a dark green. It looks just like the Eagles colors. And then when I thought about it, I'm like, oh, that would be nice for them to win. So I'm happy they won. And then I really wanted, and it's crazy because I don't like the Bengals, but I wanted the Bengals to win. I feel like Kansas City wins every time. I hate seeing the same team win every time. You know, you want to let other people experience that feeling. So, whatever. But so Super Bowl in 2 weeks. What is that, the weekend of the, like, 11th, 12th? I guess the 12th. Sunday the 12th. It's in Arizona, and it will be Kansas City and the Philadelphia Eagles. So I'm definitely going to cheer for the Philadelphia Eagles, only because Kansas City wins too much. Alright, that's good. Did I? Yes, that's good. Also, I'm starting with my live Apex accounts today. Ooh, you went to a classic car show. That's cool. That's super cool. It's 9:13. So, oil is 2 for 2 overnight. Oops, where is it? Oh, I turned it off already because it's done for the day. But anyway, I can turn it back on just to show you guys. I just disabled the strategy. And I ran this on one of my live Apex accounts. I didn't run it on both of them because if there was like a loss, like a bad trade, I didn't want it to affect my newly funded accounts. So this is oil. It had a long, it hit profit. Some people hit the offset, the profit offset, but I hit the full target, and then this one went right down to target. And one of the what was his? One of my members had a theory about taking a trade after oil hits target. Like for like another 20 ticks. It actually seems like it would work. Yeah, it's pretty spot on. But I'm not awake at that time, and that would require me to do some manual trading. Like here, I definitely could have done it on this one because it was like 8:50 a.m. But it is what it is. All right, so oil is 2 for 2 for the day already, $600. On the month, oil, what did I say, is like $1,400 on the month with one mini. So if you joined the group and you just took one mini of oil, and that was the only thing you traded on the algorithm, even with 2 big losses this month, you would still be green $1,400. So all right, so something else that's new today that you guys are going to be like, what? I am running stocks again live. Also, I added a whole bunch of stuff over the weekend. It might not. This one I have, yeah, no, it just needs more time. What if I disable and re-enable it? Let me see. Yeah, no, it didn't have one. Well, if we look at this candle, what is this from? $9.16. 850. Oh, that is weird. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that later, Irma. We are running. So I added a whole bunch of things over the weekend. I added 10-year Treasury note. No, 10-year Treasury note is being tested, but it's not on the sheet. We added copper. We added RTY range, YM range, ZB, which is is it the Treasury bond? Like, I'm just like, okay. But it seems like that one didn't create a range overnight, so I might have to look at that and see what's happened. ZB is the 30-year Treasury bond. So yeah, we added ZB, RTY, YM, and I have all of those up. Sadly, ZB. I have to pick up a target order today. You guys know how much I love my target orders. Today's the last day to grab. They love to like threaten me. Today's the last day to grab your order. Okay, I will be grabbing my order. Don't you worry. All right. I have my tea. It's 9:18. In a few minutes, I'll get on TikTok. So, the plan for today, it already went to my ultimate target below. If we go further on the downside, I have 11,974. If we move up and out from 12,230, well, we got to get over this area first from Friday, 12,307. And then the target would be 12,346. I'll go over that again as I also get on TikTok. Oh, but so anyway, so in addition to range, so in range we added, like I said, we already have oil, ES, and MQ. Oil was 2 for 2 overnight for $600. That is this. It had a long and a short. NQ and ES will trade later. We also added RTY. So RTY is now in the range family, as well as YM and ZB. Sadly, ZB did not. I think it's because it's too short of a time or something, and sometimes it might not have one. I don't know. I'm going to have to look at it. I'll look at this later. Today was the first day running ZB. ZB's in simulation, though. But I have NQ live, ES live, CL live, RTY live, YM live. Whew. That's 5. And then I have NQ Pink live. Fast is on simulation still. Everyone should know that. Santa is on sim today because I realized Mondays are not very good for Santa. And then you guys are going to be a little surprised. I have 2 stocks running. One of them's live. One of them is on simulation. So I'll show you guys the stocks if they get in a trade during the live stream. I have a student session at 11 today, so I have to get off by at least 10:45. But we'll see. Maybe I'll stay on until 10:45. Maybe it'll be fun because we have so many other things running. And we already have a nice little start today with oil 2 for 2. It's 9:20. I'm debating if I should get like a granola bar or not. Oh, maybe I should. I have a granola bar. All right, I'll be right back. And then I'll get on TikTok and then we can really start. You know what's making a comeback? I got my granola bar. Lava lamps. Lava lamps are making a comeback with these little preteens. My niece wanted one for her birthday. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's weird when you get older and then you see what people were talking about, where it's like, oh, like how fashion trends repeat, and it's like things are repeating now that were just like normal when I was growing up. And it's like, what? This is repeating already? But what's going on here with this? 9-2. Okay, we'll add you. Do you guys remember Kudos? It was a granola bar, but it had like chocolate all around it. It was so good. My sister used to love those as a kid. Okay. A piece fell on the floor. Alright, it's 9:22. I'm gonna get on TikTok. Look at this fan set up. Oh, jeez. I just like ran into my computer screen. Not ideal. Good news, your pickup is ready. Why, if you look at your calendar, it seems like you don't have a lot to do, and then when you start thinking about all the things you have to do today, there's like so many things. So many things. Alright. Live. I need to wash my hair today. My hair is super long. I should probably cut it. Alright, let me turn this around. Alright, go live. And sometimes the stock trades don't, like, and that's why I'm running two. Sometimes they'll have days where they don't have a trade, but most days it has a trade. So, we'll see, we'll see. I'm just excited to show you guys, because we used to do it a lot last year, and then I kind of got away from it. I wanted to focus more on, obviously, just futures, because that's my main focus. I see. Lenny, please send Irma a message. I'm not really sure why you're emailing me. You're in the group. If anyone's in the group, you should never be emailing me or sending me messages on social media, because you have access, you have direct access to me and my two admins in the group all of the time. Like all of the time. Good morning, good morning. Hey, y'all. I hope you guys had a great weekend. So yeah. So Lenny, please message Irma. Most people are running ES, CL, and NQ, but obviously it's up to you what you want to run. Depends on your account size, the risk you're willing to take, and all that. Good morning. I'm eating a granola bar, so I apologize in advance. Oil is 2 for 2 on the day already, $600. It had a long and a short. This is the short. The long is over here. So that's all we've had so far today. But there's a lot going on, because if you look on the bottom, well, you guys probably can't see this, but I have a whole bunch of tabs, because this weekend I added RTY, YM, and ZB all to the range. All right. It's 9:26. So the market's going to open in a few minutes. We're kind of stuck between this 92 level that I just drew and then this ultimate target down here at 55. ZB are very easy wins due to the movements. Well, we'll see. It didn't create a range, but this was Friday, and it was 3 for 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm excited. I feel like the screen looks funny. Do you guys feel like the screen looks funny, or is it just me? Enhance? I don't know. It looks like tan. No idea. Oh, look at these filters. Oh, that one actually looks pretty good. Is this changing in real time for you guys and then it's probably getting like nauseating? I'm sorry. All right, maybe we'll leave it like that. All right. It's 9:27. So anyway, so the market's going to open. I have fast off to the right. I have Santa off to the right. I have pink. Pink is live today. So this is what I have running live today. NQ range, ES range, CL range, RTY range, YM range, ZB range is on simulation. Fast is on simulation. Santa is on simulation. And then I have NQ pink live. And then I have two stock setups. One is live and one is on simulation. So we have a lot to go over today, a lot to show. Good morning, Jen. If you guys appreciate the stream, please give a thumbs up or tap the screen. If you want more information about the auto trading system, which you will see in a few minutes, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Where was that one point? Look at that. All right, we'll just go back to regular. There we go. All right, market's going to open in 2 minutes. The stock stuff is going to be really fast and intense, and since I haven't been showing you guys that before, I may be off to the side quiet for a few minutes if it gets in a trade, just to give some manual management, just in case. See how I'm feeling. Obviously, I haven't traded stocks on the Algo since like last April, so it's been a while. But I'm ready today, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't try to get in a trade right away, so then it recognizes the extra money I put in. I'm going to try to be taking 1,000 shares. And again, this is the thing when it comes to day trading common shares is really hard because you have to have a lot of money or you have to be using margin, which, you know, I'm not recommending people to use margin to really catch some nice trades. Because I'm not going to be bothered trading common shares for like $50. You know what I'm saying? I might as well just stick to futures. Oh, I love, yeah, Keith Lee is so cool. Yeah, and that one lady was like trying to be mean to him, and I was like, yeah, that's not happening. I saw that you liked it, Jen. That was so funny. All right, the market's open. Let's see what happens. Again, I will pull things into the front that I think are relevant. We already hit the ultimate target here on the short. That was a lot earlier today. Chop zone's all the way back up here. So let's see if we make our way back up to the chop zone, back up to this level, 12,133. We'll see. Oil's done for the day. It's 2 for 2, $600 in the books. We're done with oil for the day, so I can turn that off. I had it on just to show you guys. I could just leave it there, whatever. It's not a big deal. We're getting a drop in those. The two stocks I have up had a pretty significant drop. Did this increase? I'm surprised. I might get an error message. I have fast off to the right, so I'll show you guys fast in a minute. Pink as well. Not really sure why this is so consolidated. There we go. Pink is live today, but fast and Santa are both on simulation. Question, can we try the code before buying? Nope. I don't give anything for free. No, you know what I do? I actually do stuff for free. I give a free live stream every single day for 90 minutes showing you the algorithm and breaking down charts. So no. Outside of that, I don't do anything else for free. So no. I do have a trial price. It's $500 for 3 weeks. What's up, Suncat?
Order submitted.
All right. Fast isn't along.
Order canceled.
And I'm going to turn the volume down there. Where did that drop? I need to look at the reports this week. Is Powell speaking this week? Someone kind of mentioned it in the group, but I'm not sure if it's true or not. So I need to check that. Let me look at that right now while we're waiting for some trades.
Order submitted.
Yeah. Everything. Like, no joke, I stayed up until midnight on Friday, and then I worked until, I came back from a basketball game on Thursday, and I came home and I was on my computer till midnight. Then, Friday, I think I did a little bit of work, but not like a bunch, and like Friday evening. And then Saturday night, Friday I did a whole bunch in the late afternoon, that's what it was. And then Saturday I stayed up probably till like midnight or 1 a.m. getting all of these new strategies added. Okay, the U.S. for the next 2 days. Nothing more today. Home prices, housing pricing index, mortgage applications on Wednesday. What about Thursday? Oh my gosh. Thursday. Oh, there is FOMC on a Wednesday. Ugh. And then I guess Paul's going to speak at 2:30. I do not play basketball. I will watch it. I used to love basketball when I was younger, though. Like, and I never tried out because I thought I wasn't good enough, but I think I would have been good enough. I am so good at free throws. I'm also really good at three-point shots, but only if someone's not defending me. So I don't think it really counts. All right, so we kind of popped up here into this 12,100 area. Now we're rejecting back down. Again, I mentioned this before. If we drop below this 12,055, we have to get through 12,022, but then after that, my target is 11,978. All right, so it doesn't look like that stock is going to take a trade, at least not right now. Oh, this one might. This one might. We'll have to see. Is that the one that I have? Yes, it only works with NinjaTrader, correct. So when you're not given the code, you're given a protected zip file that has the code within it.
Order canceled.
Is Fast in another trade? Fast is red, 500. Oh, I don't even have to put it in the sheet anymore because I took it away. It's kind of a waste to track it when we really haven't found something that works well. Really only if it's in like the most choppy market. Yep, you turn it on at night and then it trades for you. No, you don't copy my trades. You get the same exact trades by using the algorithm on your account. I don't mind this short under 55. maybe under, there's just a whole bunch of stop signs. 50, 44, 39, 22. Yeah, so this is fast.
Order filled.
It's more for entertainment.
Order submitted.
This is on simulation. I have a whole bunch of things live. They're just not running right now. So NQ range is live. ES range is live. Oil already hit 2 for 2 for $600 on the day. This trade was at 4:30 a.m. and then this trade was at 8:30 a.m. So oil's done for the day. RTY, YM is live. This is ZB. ZB is not live. So the things that are live today: NQ range, ES range, CL range, RTY range, and YM range. And then NQ pink. But I'm just showing you fast because it's entertaining and that's the only thing that's taking trades right now. So that's the reason why I'm showing you this. Sounds good, royalty. So again, this is fast. It's on simulation. Santa is also on simulation today. Typically I run Santa live every day, but I found that Mondays really aren't that great. So this is Santa. So this one's on simulation, but it's for entertainment purposes. And then this one is on simulation. But pretty much everything else is live. And I have 2 stock charts that are also set up. But so to make this 600, I have 1 contract, so it was $2,000. This is a guaranteed green trade now. This is also how scalper works. It just tries to take the trade until it works. So yeah. Sure thing. If you want more info, you can just email me. So now this trade is green, $500. So those losses that you saw are now being taken away by this, by this one trade. I just want to move this. Nope, these are not moving averages at all. And I'm not going to explain what it's looking for. When you join the group, you get more information about how the algorithms work, but I'm never going to just tell you, like, the back end. Now this long is green, $620. And yes, it's not hard to see that there were losses. This was a loss. You can see it's red. This was a loss. You can see the red dotted line. It got in the trade and then it pulled back and it had a $200 loss. And it had a few of them. So we'll see where this trade ends up. And then we'll see what the current total is. Yes, royalty, that's fine. Yes, it costs a lot to be in the group. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks and then $1,000 every month after that. I have people in my group saying that I shouldn't give the trial price anymore. It does everything for you. It 100% trades for you. It gets you in the trades. It gets you out of the trades. It moves the break even, your stop loss to break even or to a positive value. I feel like, oh, super long ago. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Yeah, because I told him to. All right, so fast is in a short. Santa's also in a short. So this is Santa's first trade today. Again, I'm not using Santa Live today. I traded Santa Live a few days last week.
Order submitted.
With the group and auto trade. No. It's just one price. You get access to the group if you're part of the service. So that's just included in the service. Bad celeb, I do, but that's something that we can discuss over email. She said some of the dumb questions should cost people extra. Jen's been with me since 2020. She's sick of the dumb questions.
Order submitted.
uh,
Order submitted.
yeah, so if you purchase the mentorship, or so Santa took a break-even offset there for a win. So Santa's 1 for 1, and then we'll see what happens with this long. If you take the mentorship or if you do the algorithm, you get access to the group. That's just included. We are just chopping up here. You see this? But
Order canceled.
you can't get access to the group if you're not in one of the services, if that makes sense. Yep, ABD's in the chat. He's in my group. 2 for 2 today. Are you able to use signals or... Oh, yes, on challenges. Yeah, so again, these aren't signals. These are actual trades. It's not telling you to do something. It's doing it for you. So it's fully automated. But yes, you can use it on challenge accounts. I actually have 2 Apex accounts that I passed and got funded as of this weekend. So I'm using them live today, and I'm already green because of the oil trades. I woke up to $300, and then it took another trade for another $300. So $600 already in the live account. Thank you, Mark. Good morning to you. It's 9:43. I'm glad I had that granola bar. I feel like my head was hurting. Well, it was. But yeah, so Apex was doing like an 80% discount a few weeks ago, but now they're doing a 50% off one through the end of February. So you have a whole month if you wanted to do like an Apex. You can use the algorithm during the evaluation as well as once you pass. Gaz in the TikTok chat just said the algo is 100% worth it. Black and Blue asked if there's another way to pay me other than PayPal. You can email me and we can discuss other options. Obviously, I don't take crypto. Like, I'm open to Zelle or, like Venmo or Cash App. It's just much easier on PayPal because it's a subscription and then I don't have to chase you every month. 0, so it depends on the strategy you're talking about, but let me get you some numbers. So for all of 2022, I'll show you. This is ES for all of 2022 on range. The drawdown was $3,000 with 1 mini. The win rate was 86%, and the profit factor was 1.51. Oh, we're in a long. Hold on. We're also in a long of Santa. Santa and Fast are both in this long. Look how nasty and sideways these candles are. What do you mean prices? Yep, so you could just email me for more information, boldbotllc@gmail.com. The prices are also on my website, but it's $500 for the first 3 weeks if you are a brand new member. It's a trial price, so you can try the algorithm for 3 weeks for $500. After that, it's $1,000 every month. I'm using NinjaTrader. This is all being done on NinjaTrader. We are green, $350 on Santa, $300 on Fast. So let's see if we can get this push here. Thanks, Top Gun. But yeah, this is NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader, but you can use an Apex account or a Lilu account if you prefer to do that. Yeah, don't trade and drive, for sure. Just turn on the algorithm. Let it do it for you. All right, Santa's green, $600 in this long. Fast is green, $550 in the long. Again, both of these are on simulation today because I don't like the way Santa looks on Mondays. So. Amber said, I love waking up to oil money, aka MCO. I feel like I'm in the Beverly Hillbillies family. She's a mess. Is there a principal security? So not really sure what that means, but the main contract or product that I trade, is the NASDAQ, which is NQ. It could Suncat. It happens all the time. We're now above this little blue box that I drew, and it seems like we're holding. We still have to get up to 133 first. Where's my Santa banana? Oh, there it is. Fast and Santa are both still in this long. So my main focus is always the NASDAQ, but I also trade the Russell, the Dow, the S&P 500, oil, gold, silver, natural gas, copper, stocks. Oh, my head. Maybe this is why I had a headache last night. We're green $700 on this long, and this is the NASDAQ. What I'm typically always showing during my live streams is the NASDAQ. If it's not, I will specify that it's not. But if I don't specify anything, you can assume it's the NASDAQ. That is my favorite product. A Top Gun said oil money waking up like you're part of the Saudi royal family. Yeah, we all woke up to like $600 today because oil was 2 for 2 overnight. All right, $700 on this long. When you turn the algo on, will it trade multiple things a day? Yeah, so you have to open the chart. The algo doesn't know what you want it to trade, but it will if you apply it to a chart. Also, you can move this stop loss up whenever you want. I'm not going to do that because this is a trail stop right here, and I like to let it do its thing 100% hands-free. But yes, all you have to do is specify a chart. So I have several charts open right now, and the algo is on all of those charts. Oh, pink is in a long, and I am... Yo, we are green $1,000 on this Santa long. Let's see if we can get through this 33. I am long on this NQ pink as well. Big moves here. So Fast and Santa are both green $1,000 here on this trade. I wonder if that was too close. Well.
Order canceled.
So we're still in this long, $1,000. Pink as well is in the long. Oh, I wonder, I need Justin to still track that. There is a level up here at 12,133. So just be aware of that. Santa banana top. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's not on the live. That's why. I was seeing on my YouTube studio, I was seeing something totally different. And I was like, what is that? So again, there it goes. So it took profit on its own. I'm not going to I don't have to touch it. I don't have to get in the way. It will do its job. Now, Santa is green $630 on the day after what? 3 trades? 3 trades and it's $9.49. This is exactly what happened last week when Santa was green $700 at $9.50 and then it went red $1,000 and then it went green $1,700. So this is where it's up to you. If you say, you know what, I'm happy with $630 with 3 trades, I'm going to be done for the day. Or you can continue keeping it on, and then, you know, whatever happens, happens. But it has roller coaster swings. Like, it will be green like this, and then it could go red 500, and then it could go green 500. So you have to be okay with that. And that's what I'm trying to get the people in the group to understand about Santa. Like, you see the results, you see the end results, but you don't actually see, you know, like you don't see the swings when you're not actually running it yourself. So that's why I always tell people to run things in simulation on their own, and then when they get comfortable with what they see, they can then kind of take another route. So we're trying to get over this 18 to 25 area on NQ, but even after that we have a level at 33, so this may be a little difficult. You can see Santa just had a loss there. It is 9:50. I have a little idea about that time of day that I share with my students. Fast is also green, 4:45. Let's see if we can get another push here up above 12,120. We got to get over that 25 and then that 33 if it wants to go higher. I'm just watching it off on my on my pink chart over here. This is what the higher time frame looks like. Oops. Looks like we're trying to move back to the chop zone, which is pretty common. It happens quite often here in, like, on our regular mornings. Let's see if we get back up to that 25. We got to get above 25, and then we got to get to 33. 33 is going to be our next stop sign. That's like my new thing now, calling it a stop sign. I'm just trying to get people to understand it without having too many technical names. You're going to Las Vegas today, Ian? Oh, I'm so jealous. I was thinking about that this morning. No joke. I was like, I need to go to Vegas. I just want to go and get a massage and sleep in and relax. I don't trade stocks typically. This is the NASDAQ right here. It says NQ on the 20-minute chart. So let's see if we can get above 33. If we can, then the next is going to be 70. There's that push. Do you see that? Do you see that push, guys? We got up above that 25. Now we got to get above 33. Nice little push there in those 2 minutes. Thank you, Mark. Have fun, Ian. Is it for work? I feel like I'm talking rather loud today. I apologize if I am. Nice. Justin made, so these are results from just today. Justin made $700 to $800 on all 3 of his accounts. Carlos made $600 on his 3 Apex accounts and then made $450 on his live account. Mark made $600 cash. Alex made $810. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Congrats, guys. And it's only 9:53 on the West Coast. What is it? It's not even 7 a.m. So I have a student session today, and I got a whole bunch of other things. How can I join with you trades? With you and trades. You can email me right here, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yes, yes. All right, so we're getting the turnaround now. It's swinging back down. See that long wick? See if we get below this 80 area, this 90 level. Then we could go back down to 55, under 55. Remember, we got like 40 and then 30 and then a whole bunch of other stuff. This is definitely wrong. I'm going to have to delete this. All right, no trades on the stocks yet. One was a continued short from Friday. The other one popped up. Right. I don't know why I didn't take a lot there. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting distracted off to the side. Santa is back in along. Nice job, Scott. Thank you so much for posting that. Well, the algo system is running and it's in profit. Can I intervene? Yes, you can. Yep, I've shown that before. So right here, Zach, you can see it's already positive here, but you could take this and move it up to wherever you want. You can put it here. And then when it pulls back to that, it will, like, you can't put something in front of it, at least for scalper, you can't. you will, we're green $500 on this long here. Am I going to eat my words about saying Santa's not good on Mondays? Santa was like, F you, bitch. I'm perfect on Mondays. Like, okay. It's only had like 2 losses. Oh, I hate roulette. I think roulette is the worst game. No. But go see, I don't even remember his name now. Maybe it's like Scott. It's something real basic. At the Win Spa and tell him to give you a massage because his hands are amazing. That's literally like the only reason why I want to go back right now. I feel like the local spas are just not hitting it anymore. I don't know. You know, like service is going down everywhere. I definitely feel that way when it comes to like spa services. All right, we are green $700 on this long for Santa. So yeah, Zach, again, you could take this stop loss and move it up. You could go right behind the price. But again, once that pulls back, it's going to tag you out and you'll be out of the trade. I don't think that's true, but okay. I don't know enough to have no. Where is Scott? At the spa at the Win. You need to go there. Find him. Say, Lauren says you're amazing. Santa Claus is going. It's Santa Banana, okay? There's no Claus. No Claus is here. Can I exit the trade at any time? Yes, I just answered that like 3 times. You can exit the trade at any time. You can push close on the chart trader. You can take this and move it up right behind the price. And then when it pulls back, it's going to tag the price and you'll be out. This is green, $450 on the day. So after this trade, you'll be around $1,000. Again, it's been live for 20 minutes. And this is one contract. You guys can see that here. One contract. The 1 symbolizes one contract, and it's green, meaning that we are long. If this 1 was red in the background, then that means we are short. Yes. Nope. This is the NQ. If I don't specify what it is, just always know it's the NQ. The NASDAQ is my favorite. I would say 10K, but you know, it's all relative. Like some people would probably think like $500 a month is decent, and then other people would be like, oh no, I need $5,000 a month. So it's all, yes, it works on ES. We use it on ES as well, but my main focus is always the NASDAQ. This is NinjaTrader, but it's my programming. It's C number, whatever. You know, it's all, right? Isn't it all relative? So I don't know. But most people start in the algorithm with 3 to 5K. If you want to trade minis, again, this is 1 mini on this trade, then I always say you have to have at least $10,000. Will NinjaTrader say that? No, they won't. But do I say that? Yes, I do. So if you had a 3K account and you were in this trade, you would be up like $100. See how I'm not touching it? Obviously, if you had moved your stop loss up, you would already be out of this trade. I'm still in this trade. Okay. Yeah, I don't even, so then what's a decent amount? See how it goes back to being all relative in Chadwick? He says, how much do I need to make a decent amount? 10K. Oh, well, that's too much. Okay. Well, then maybe we need to lower the decent amount standards. Even $100 a day is $2,000 a month. And after you pay like my fee and after you pay commissions on the trades, you can easily clear, you know, obviously it's not guaranteed. There's no guarantees in trading. But that equation would come out to around, you know, $$800 in profit a month on a smaller account. So Just putting the numbers out there. But yeah, most people that have small accounts, I'm like, listen, they make $75 to $200 a day. They're killing it. And they're doing well. And they're happy. Now, see why I don't move my stop loss? Because now I'm green 900 and y'all would have been out at like 500 or 600. You have to pay commissions on any trade you take. That is normal. That is in any trading software. You have to do that. There in no world, even on Apex funded account, you can't trade without paying commissions for the trades. What is this, Monopoly? It's $5 round trip. So on this trade with my one contract, I will be paying $5 in commissions to the broker. No, Webull is not free. Stock trades became free. That's not a Webull thing. That's a stock thing. And that was passed like 2 years ago, where there's no more fees and commissions on trading common shares. But you're not going to make money like this on common shares unless you have like $1 million account, because you have to over leverage yourself so much. The lowest someone could start with the algorithm is $2,000. This is NinjaTrader. Yes, Southern Tucker. This is NinjaTrader. The NinjaTrader. I'll put it down here. No one can start with $200 to $500. Y'all, I think I'm going to need to get off TikTok today. The minimum is at least $2,000 to $3,000. Yeah, futures is life. NinjaTrader is a broker. NinjaTrader is a trading platform. That's what I'm using right now. NinjaTrader. It's a futures broker and a futures specific platform. That's like TD Ameritrade for futures. It's been around for like 20 years. I'm sad that none of my stock setups have taken trades, because I really want to do that. So we're back up to that 25 area on NQ. We had a little insane pullback to 76. And now we're back above. Remember, there's a level at 30, like 34. So let's see if we can get through that. That's what this blue level is up here. If you want more information on the algorithm, again, and this information is given in the informational email. There's an FAQ and it says, how much do I need? What's the minimum I can start with? And it's like 2 to 3K. Lauren, would your algo take trade on NQ if it hits 1, 2... It's already in a trade, Suncat. We're already in a long for $700. And Suncat, you used to be in the group, and now you're not in the group anymore. So I'm not really sure. We're doing just like a live stream, trying to catch the trades or something. We're already in a long for $800. The algo is doing its thing. Range does not trade until later. Damn, that's quite a money, LOL. What? 2 to 5, what? 3 to 5K is quite a money? I'm not sure what's happening on TikTok today. The TikTok algorithm is not algorithming. Yeah, futures and forex is very similar. But we just pay one set fee per trade, and in forex you pay the difference in price from your, like the slippage that you had from when you submitted the order to when it was actually put in. So $1,000 on this long on Santa. Santa's gonna be killing it today and making me eat my words for sure. It's 10:05. I'm definitely not gonna last past 10:30 today. I'm sad that I wasn't able to show you guys any of these stock ones, but whatever. So we got above 33. Can we stay above 33? We'll have to see. And this is why I don't move my stop loss up. This is why I trust my algorithm, because if you would have taken profit here at 600 and then it went to 1,000, you know what I'm saying? Let join for free. I'm special, I promise. No, I believe you. I believe that you are special. But I don't specialize in special. I specialize in making money and being serious about that. Scott, why are you trading in quad? Why are you putting in questions? Let's put that here. I don't trade crypto. These are kind of the people that are going to get swindled by those people that impersonate me and then go DM them after the stream and they'll be like, oh, I thought you said I couldn't trade with $200. And then the person's going to be like, oh, no, you can. Here, just go put it in a crypto wallet. And they're going to be like, okay, I'm going to do that. I feel like I'm not even going to say anything today. Yep. My mentorship is super user-friendly. Let me show you something that one of my members posted earlier. Was this 1:25 in the morning? Jean said, hey, I just wanted to share this, but I finished lesson 2 and I was working on the homework assignments for number 2 new lesson. I'm already up $430, guys. If you haven't taken Lauren's course, you are greatly missing out. And he had posted something really nice the other day also about lesson 1. He was like, oh my gosh, this is so eye-opening. Jen, that's a really cute. That's a little cute Santa man. All right, Santa took profit. Santa's green $1,035 on the day. And I'm going to be eating my words. Zooby, 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 zoo. No. All right, wait. What was I going to show you? Oh, I think... This is what he posted the other day. I think it was like on Friday or something. He said, oh my God, lesson 1 is fire. Literally, my mind is like blown. I don't want to go to sleep. Isn't that so nice? So nice. I like when people appreciate all of the hard work and effort that I put into this. Why is my YouTube keep not showing live and it's just like lagging? Like what? What is even happening here? All right. Fast is green. Oh, I'm not tracking fast anymore, so it doesn't really matter. But I will run it for the live stream because it's entertainment and people like seeing it. And if we ever start to see a pattern, then we'll have that information. Tony, CL was 2 for 2. People, not please. Well, awesome. I think I will give it a shot. Thanks, guys. Sure thing. I have like 7 different algorithms, but it doesn't really matter because all you need is 1 or 2. Anthony. So Sean, who's Sean? Sean's going to tank? I don't know. I think I'm just finding myself like, okay, is today like one of those weird, funky moon days? All right, we got 20 more minutes, people. Let's pump it up. Let's pump it up. Santa is up over $1,100 hands-free. Justin just posted that. Laura got it as well. Nice job, Laura. Y'all are killing it. Look, they're making the monthly subscription in 20 minutes. I'm going to start talking like that. Like, Exactly, Scott. Thank you so much. Even if it took a week to make enough for your subscription, you're still winning. Oh, for sure. Avi. But this is why people in my group say that I should probably only accept people that have an account size of $10,000 or more, because then typically you're always going to be profiting and being able to cover the fees. You know what I mean? Unless you're making some horrific mistakes on your end, like a user issue, you're always going to be green. But can it be a little harder with people with micros? Yes. And I understand that, but it's not impossible, especially when Scalper comes back around, like the, NQ pink, if you MNQ pink or MES pink or M2K pink or MYM pink. Like in November, people were making so much money with micros on those. Like no joke, like $500, $600 a day, and I'd be like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. Like that's so good. On top of the range trades. So, but obviously we just don't have that right now. Hold on, I'll have to see. Let me send this to Tony. Hold on, let me get this for Tony real quick. Tony, this was in the original email. Does NinjaTrader have a free demo? You can use simulation, excuse me, but it's not free. You have to get the NinjaTrader lease or lifetime. You have to pay $12 for the market data, and you have to have a cash account. They will not let you use their platform at all unless you have a cash account. All right, so Santa is in this short, guys, for $300. Yes, that is the biggest issue. New people don't listen, or they don't get their charts checked by Irma, and then they have something wrong. And then they either don't get the trade or they get a loss when they shouldn't have. Yes, the brokerage fee is different if you do the lease or the lifetime, but it's not much. It's maybe like 25 to 30 cents more on the lease than it is on the lifetime. This short is looking nice on Santa. See if we can break this 12,100. What time is it? It's 10:15. Can we break 12,100 and then break 95 and 92? Didn't I have a level at like 92 or something? I thought I had a level at like 92. I don't even know. Was that a different 92? Let's see if we can break 12,100. 12,100. 12,100. It's holding at 5. Let's see if we can break. Break. Oh, isn't that a song or like a remix on TikTok? Break. It probably doesn't say break, but it sounds like it says break. Oh, it says bra. That's what it says. I just remembered. Clearly, my daily vitamins have given me some weird sillies today. ABD. Oh, yeah. Look at that drop, y'all. We got it. We're down to 92. Look at that drop. Oh, my gosh. I got it manually. A $500 short here on Santa. $500. I'm green. $900 on my Apex account on day one, and we still have a whole bunch of trades that are going to happen later. Take off. Yeah. Santa. I'm not even looking at chat right now. Hold on. We went right to 92. I swear I have a level at 92. Maybe I didn't put it across. We do have a level at 92. I knew I had a level at 92, you guys. I have to put it on all of my charts, and then I have to lock it. Apply. Okay. There it is. 92 was a level the whole time. We are green. $900. You guys, Santa does not like me. Santa wants me to pay for what I said about not being good on Mondays. Y'all, this is not fair. This is not fair. Santa is green $2,000 on the day. It hasn't even, it's been 40 minutes. Did anybody else get the short? So I can't purchase NinjaTrader without having a cash account. Right. But you can use NinjaTrader if you're using Apex because they give you the license for free. Well, it's like included. I guess I don't know what your real question is, Jeremy, so I can help you. So NinjaTrader does not let people use their platform until you get approved for an account and you put cash in your account. Now, if you want to use a funded program, you can use NinjaTrader. That funded program is going to give you the access to NinjaTrader. That's how that works. Does that make sense? Me too. Easy, George. All right. Santa's green, $1,715. Santa has been green. What was the number? Let me look real quick. It's 18,000. Santa Banana. It's green $18,000 since December 4th on one mini. So no, there's no, so I think I answered that question already. There's no free demo. Like you can get a demo for like 7 days, but I don't think it's going to be live data. It'll probably be delayed or something. I don't know. You would have to ask Ninja about that. But there is a demo, and I think it gives you the full access to the platform, so you would be able to use like all of this stuff. But I'm not totally sure. You would have to ask them. This is Santa since December 4th. The week of December 4th, it made $6,800. The week of December 11th, it made $2,200. The week of December 18th, it made $1,100. The week of January 1st, it made $2,000. It had a red week of $185 on the week of January 8th, and then the week of January 15th was $3,600, and then last week was $2,600. Santa's going bananas. Santa. For sure. For sure. Hold on, I gotta open this link that Jen sent. Oh, is it gonna mess up my YouTube?
What can I get you?
I'm gonna have to watch this later. I'm really excited, Jen. Did she start talking like real dumb? All right, it took a $200 loss there. That's fine. Again, it's having $900 wins and then a $200 loss. And that's why we can still be super profitable right around 45 to 55% win rate. Because the losses are so much smaller. Typically like 8 to 10 times smaller than a win. All right, so we'll hang up for a few more minutes, and then I'm going to call it a day. Please give a thumbs up or tap that screen if you appreciate the stream and the information. That's all I ask of you, because I go live for you guys. There's no other reason that I'm live. Vocal for... Did that work, ABD? It should have. I'm going to have to save that picture. All right, it's 10:21. Maybe I'll just wrap it up now. There's no trades. I'm sad that I didn't get any stock trades today. I need to figure out why, because I definitely had it set up. But this one, it wouldn't have mattered. My live one wouldn't have taken any trades anyway, because it's still in a short from Friday. So remember, oil is 2 for 2 on the day for 600. Santa is green, 1,500. So if you just had those two, you're green, 2,100 on the day. It's trying to take another long here. Thanks, Ian. Oh, have fun in Vegas. Be safe. Yeah, if you're in Canada, then you could just use a funded account or GFF broker. But still, you have to have that account with money in it connected. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, you can use the NinjaTrader platform, so you would still have to get the lease or the lifetime, and then you connect your GFF broker. You just wouldn't be connecting the NinjaTrader broker, if that makes sense. All right, I'm going to get off of here. This might take another short here. I will make sure I update everything in the spreadsheet for the people in the group. The minimum amount to start with is $3,000. It really should be more like 5 to 10. But, all right. I'm going to stand my desk up. I don't feel like sitting. All right, I'm going to get off of here, and I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll be back tomorrow. I'm live every day from 9:15 to 10:30 on TikTok and YouTube. Oh, do you see this drop? We went right back down to 55. Look at that. Right back down to 55. Remember, if we break 55, well, there's like a whole bunch of stuff under this, so it is what it is. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye, YouTube.